welcome to our new video where we will learn about the nutrition in grass eating animals. Yes, you heard it well. That is called herbivores. Herbivores, it means what? मतलब the animal who only feeds on plants and grass. I mean green plants. That is called herbivores, and we will see how digestion takes place in herbivores. Okay, listen. Generally, that type of animal who feeds on plant, there is a different digestion takes place in their body, which is very different from human beings. Now we will see why it is different in human beings or in herbivores, because they only feeds on green plant that is rich in cellulose. Actually, green plant contain a different type of polymer that is called cellulose. Cellulose is rich in carbohydrate which provide energy to the herbivores. Okay, now human can't digest cellulose because humans doesn't have that type of digestive system which herbivores contain. Actually, it is very unique digestive system that is present in the herbivores. Why it is very unique? Because they have the fourth chamber of the stomach. Their stomach has four chamber. How many chamber of the stomach we have? We have only one chamber. We have only one stomach. So what is the major differences? How the food will digest in the fourth chamber of the herd? Will see. Okay, think. Before we going, see some words that is on the board. The first one is curd. Curd is actually partially digested food that is present in the rumen, that is let's bring back to the mouth. The second one is rumination. Process of chewing curd. The curd that will be chewing by the herbivores is known as rumination, and the animals that do rumination is called ruminant. Okay, we will not don't confuse in these three words. Now we will see how it is possible. Okay, the first chamber of the herbivores are rumen, and the second one is reticulum, third one is omasum, and the fourth one is abomasum. See again. The first one is rumen, second one is reticulum, third is omasum, and the fourth one is abomasum. Okay, now according to their size, rumen is the largest chamber, the stomach in the herbivores. Rumen has the largest capacity to store food, and abomasum is the smallest chamber of the heart of the stomach. Abomasum is the true stomach. It is known as true stomach because it contains all the digestive enzymes that is needed for the digestion of the food in the herbivores. Okay, what is the function of reticulum? We will see later. Okay, now start. When herbivores eat food, they don't digest that time, they don't chew that time, they only eat and stored in the stomach, first chamber of the stomach, which is also called rumen. Rumen is the largest chamber. Okay, what will happen in the rumen? The food is digestion of cellulose takes place in the rumen, and again it will bring back to the mouth where rumination takes place. What will happen during rumination? When rumination, saliva mixes food and makes the food pulpy, it's called rumination. What will happen next? After rumination, the food is again sent to the second part, that is called reticulum. So what is the function of the reticulum? Actually, rumen and reticulum are same. They have closely associated. They have their content mixed freely. They can mix their content very freely because they are both related to each other. So what will happen next? After reticulum, the food will sent to omasum, which is the smallest chamber of the herbivores, and then it is sent to the fourth chamber, which is known as abomasum, and it is also, said you earlier, it is a true stomach because it contains digestive enzymes, and then it is sent to the small intestine where the absorption of food takes place, and it will send to the next, again that means we have studied in the human beings. Now we will see it again. The first one is nutrition in herbivores, जो कि है हमारा herbivores में जो होता है जनरली उसको rumination कहते हैं. ये ऐसा इसलिए कहते हैं क्योंकि वो जो है ruminate एक प्रोसेस है उसको करते हैं. ruminate क्यों करते हैं? क्योंकि herbivores जो है प्लांट पे फीड करते हैं, फॉडर खाते हैं, और उस सब एक अलग सा न्यूट्रिएंट होता है जिसको सेल्यूलोज कहते हैं. सेल्यूलोज को पचाना आसान नहीं होता है, इसलिए उसको अलग चरणों में herbivores पचाते हैं. The first one is उसको लेकर के ईट करके स्टोर किया रुमेन में वहाँ पर डाइजेस्ट हुआ हल्का सा सेल्यूलोज, फिर उसको लाया गया माउथ में रुमिनेशन किया गया, जहाँ सलाइवा मिक्स हुआ वहाँ पे फिर से डाइजेशन हुआ फूड का, फिर से उसको भेजा गया रेटिकुलम में भी सिंपल मिक्स किया गया फूड को एक दूसरे से, और उसके बाद गया ओमेशम में जो कि स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल है, वहाँ पे जनरली कुछ खास तरह कुछ होता नहीं है। एंड द फोर्थ वन इज एबोमेशम में ही आपका जनरली जितने भी डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम्स है वो पाए जाते हैं एबोमेशम में, और वहाँ पे फूड को डाइजेस्ट किया जाता है, फिर भेजा जाता है स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में एब्जॉर्प्शन होता है फूड का, और उसके बाद वेस्ट मटेरियल होता है। Okay, now, did you ever thought why ruminants have developed this type of habit while chewing and rumination, while doing rumination? Why did you think that कि ऐसा क्यों उन्होंने किया होगा? It is because कि in the jungle generally herbivores present in the jungles, carnivores are also present in the jungle. They actually looking up to the herbivores, or they are very cautious about them not being eaten up. होता क्या था कि वो लोग नजर बनाए रखते थे, तो herbivores के अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा जल्दी होता था खाना खाने का, तो वो क्या कि बहुत सारे ग्राउंड में गए, ग्रास को जल्दी जल्दी ईट करके स्टोर कर लिया पेट में, वहाँ पे चबाने का झंझट उन्होंने नहीं किया। अब क्या होगा कि वो जब खा लिए कोई सेफ प्लेस पे गए और वहाँ पे फिर उन्होंने आराम से फूड को चबाया और डाइजेस्ट किया। मे बी एक रीजन हो सकता है उसके आदत को डेवलप करने का, अपने आप को बचाने का, जिंदा रखने का, ये भी एक आदत हो सकता है। खैर ये तो हुआ हमारा टॉपिक का लास्ट, ये हमारे चैप्टर का लास्ट टॉपिक जो हम लोगों ने खत्म कर लिया है। अब हम लोग अगले वीडियो में अगले चैप्टर के बारे में जानेंगे। एनी डाउट्स, जो भी कंफ्यूजन है कमेंट में करें, हमें बताएं कि क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, मुझे मैसेज करें, तब उसको सॉल्व करेंगे। बेसिकली ये बहुत आसान सा टॉपिक था। अगले वीडियो में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे अगले चैप्टर के लिए। तब तक के लिए